Are you looking for the best miter saws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 6 best miter saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Metabo HPT Miter Saw. The Metabo HPT C10 FCGS 10-inch compound miter saw is a great choice for any home improvement enthusiast or professional contractor. It features a powerful 15-amp motor that can handle the toughest of cuts, and a no-load speed of up to 5,000 RPM for quick, precise cuts. The miter angle range of 0 to 52 degrees, to the right and left, provides increased flexibility, while the bevel range of 0 to 45 degrees, to the left, with adjustable bevel stops, ensures precision cuts. The large table offers better material support and the vice clamping system secures the workpiece. The thumb-actuated positive stops provide quick miter adjustments, and the horizontal handle offers a secure hold. The electric brake halts the rotation of the blade within seconds, preventing unintended cuts. The saw is backed by Metabo HPT's professional 5-year tool warranty for peace of mind. At number 2, BOSCH GCM12 SD Saw. The DeWalt DWS780 12-inch double-bevel sliding compound miter saw is one of the most popular and well-reviewed miter saws on the market. It's a great choice for both professionals and DIYers alike. The DWS780 has a patented glide system that allows for wider cross-cuts and better alignment. It's also compact, saving you 12 inches of valuable workspace. The expanded cutting capacity and adjustable bevel make it a great choice for a variety of projects. The DWS780 comes with a 12-inch 60-tooth carbide-tipped blade, a wrench, a toolless vertical work clamp, a dust bag, and a vacuum adapter elbow. It also has a square-lock quick-release fence that locks into place at 90 degrees to the table. The DeWalt DWS780 is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality miter saw. It's easy to use and comes with everything you need to get started. At number 3, Skil Compound Miter Saw. The Ridgid R4112 is a powerful and versatile compound miter saw that is perfect for a wide range of applications. It has a powerful 15-amp motor that delivers 4,800 RPM for quick, detailed cuts. The Dual-Bevel feature allows you to perform cuts in 4 positive stop positions at 48 degrees in amp, 45 degrees left, 0 degrees, and 45 degrees right. The LED shadow line provides high-precision cuts with greater accuracy than lasers. The 2x12 cutting capacity allows you to cross-cut lumber up to 2x12 at 90 degrees, and 2x8 lumber at 45 degrees. The saw also cuts at common angles, up to 50 degrees left and right, with 11 positive stops at most used angles. At number 4, Craftsman Sliding Miter Saw. The Craftsman miter saw is a powerful and accurate tool that is perfect for a variety of projects. The saw has a powerful motor that can easily cut through 2x dimensional lumber, hardwoods, baseboards, and trim. The sliding miter saw also has the ability to cut 3 5/8 inch nested crowns and 3.5 inch baseboards vertically, making it a versatile and handy tool. The saw also features an LED cut line positioning system that makes it easy to see your cut line and ensure accuracy. The miter saw has 9 casted miter detent stops that make it quick and easy to make adjustments. The saw also has a lightweight design with side carry handles that makes it easy to transport from one job site to another. At number 5, Delta Power Saw. The DeWalt DWX724 compact miter saw stand is a versatile and easy-to-use stand that can be used with almost any miter saw. The stand has a spindle lock that holds the spindle securely while the blade nut is being loosened and removed, and it also has a capacity of cutting nominal 4x4 and 2x6 at 90 degrees and 2x6 with one pass. The stand also has a bevel of left from 0 degrees to 47 degrees, and it can cut nominal 2x6 at full bevel. The stand is lightweight and easy to move from room to room or even from job to job. It is also easy to set up and take down, and it folds up for easy storage. The DeWalt DWX724 compact miter saw stand is a great choice for anyone who needs a versatile and easy-to-use stand for their miter saw. At number 6, Makita Compound Miter Saw. The Makita 10.5-inch compact job site table saw is a powerful and versatile saw that is perfect for use on the job site. It is lightweight and compact, making it easy to transport, and has a powerful 10.5 amp direct drive motor that requires less maintenance and delivers 5,000 RPM. The saw has a 0 to 50 degree left and amp, 0 to 60 degree right miter range, with positive stops at 0, 15, 22.5, 31.6, 45 and 50 degrees left and right plus 60 degrees right, and can cut up to 12 inch at 90 degrees and 8.5 at 45 degrees. The Makita 10.5-inch compact job site table saw is a great choice for anyone in need of a powerful and portable table saw. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.